What's up guys, Community YouTuber here in my town centre, my local centre of town, and I'm going to be showing you around town, and it's the first day of my Vlogmas, so yes, come with me and have a look. Going to see the Christmas lights getting turned on the Christmas tree as well, so you can just see the lights over there. Yeah, so let's have a look. Just see the amazing lights there and the tree that the lights are going to be lit up on later on tonight, and I will be showing you that in this vlog. Look at this, look at how amazing it is. This is even before the lights actually come on. You can just hear the Christmas music as well. How festive. Home to the future now, it's only just begun.
23!
Yes!
Fantastic to see so many of you down here tonight as well, and it's going to get busier as the night goes on. We've got a few treats in store for you this evening. Remember, you can see all of the big screen as well. How's my hair looking? So kiss me under the mistletoe, pour out the wine, let's toast and pray for the summer storm. Your face, I should be playing in the winter snow, but I could be under the mistletoe with you and shine. It's Father Christmas, home!
Merry Christmas! Oh, it's lovely to be here again. Hello, Darren. Are you on my nice list or my naughty list?
Well, I'm hoping, because I've been a good boy this year, that I'll be on your nice list.
Well, we have 39 seats to get on the nice list.
I'm going to work hard. Now, what are you doing later on this evening, Father Christmas?
Well, I'm going to pop downstairs at the end of the night and say hello to a few people. So don't hang around at the end and give me a wave. I'll be downstairs.
You can see him later on, boys and girls, but for now, please, Father Christmas! Our performers are coming on stage. Don't forget to hang around afterwards as well, because we'll have a bit of a sing-song, and we've got one more performer for you as well. Now, hold a really good voice tonight! Because we are going to count down now from 10!
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.